Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with North Georgia Airless. I want to show y'all the new AR45. This is going to be designated as the AR45SW. It's the Softwash version. They have made several changes to this pump for our industry and to address problems that we've seen over the last few years with these machines. So first of all, the changes. Some of the past versions we've had have had stainless head plates. That's been an on again off again change that we have had, but it's now back and it's here to stay. This is a powder coated plate. It's a powder coated cast material. It is not stainless, but for what we're using these for, as far as just to prevent flex in the heads, everything has done just fine in testing with that. Over time, we did see maybe a change in head material that led to a change in the lifespan of the heads. When we started running the head plates on there, we saw heads go back to lasting. I think it was an issue with the flex, some of the materials that have been changed over time. But this is how we have had the best results with not having cracked heads from flex. Also, the outlet manifold is no longer a ring. The heads and everything from this point back are basically the same, but this outer piece of the pump now comes in. Everything comes together into this one manifold that the regulator mounts to. It keeps everything a little bit more concise. They use the stainless to come in, pull everything together, holds it there, keeps everything from flexing. You know, everybody has had the outlet manifold of an AR45 leak because they flex, and you know, several reasons for that, several technical things behind that, but at the end of the day, that is what is happening with it. So in this version, you know, several things are still stainless steel reinforced there. This version also has a 3/4 inch straight bypass barb, which is far superior to the 90-degree barb that was on there. It still has the 1/2 inch outlet. It is a threaded outlet, so you know, there are some options as far as larger barbs and stuff that we can get you from the aftermarket sector to go on there. Also, this version does not include a gauge. That's been an on again off again thing for the last couple of years because this gauge kind of sucks. This gauge will work on it, same AR45 gauge that we've always had. Screws in right here where this plug is on the front, and you can use the same gauge that we all know, hate, and have had leak. $58, $59, something like that, is a replacement part on that. We also have a stainless gauge that AR came out with. This was a retrofit kit, so it does come with the plastic plug to go on the old style manifold, but these were designed to go on part of the pumps without gauges as a conversion. This runs about 150 bucks. I don't know that I feel like this scenario is worth it. It is a very high quality gauge, but maybe not 150 bucks worth, but we do have those available. We also have brought in these as an aftermarket option. This is just a standard gauge, basically same manufacturer as all the pressure gauges and stuff you see for high pressure machines. It's 500 psi liquid filled glycerin gauge, threaded for the AR. We offer these as a replacement part as well for 50 bucks right now. Hopefully that'll maintain cost for the foreseeable future, but this is, you know, an economical add-on. It is in between quality wise between the original gauge and the stainless modified version, but it also is an option for people as we do move forward with this new pump. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You will see some changes in our listings as far as parts go. Everything is backwards compatible. Retrofit coming for you guys that still have a good pump from there back. Probably realistically a few weeks out on that, but we will have those posted. We will have links to the current machines, everything like that moving forward on our website, thepumpaoutlet.com. Post some links to that section of that on the comments to this video. If you have any questions about these machines, y'all give us a call. Happy to answer anything we can.